Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you the English name of different things of our bedroom. So let's see. Number 1, mattress. Mattress. Mattress means toshok. Mattress means toshok. Number 2, past cloth. Past cloth. Past cloth means katha. Past cloth means katha. Number 3, bed sheet. Bed sheet. Bed sheet means bichanar chador. Bed sheet means bichanar chador. Number 4, pillow. Pillow. Pillow means balish. Pillow means balish. Number 5, bolster pillow. Bolster pillow. Bolster pillow means kool balish. Bolster pillow means kool balish. Number 6, blanket. Blanket. Blanket means kombol. Blanket means kombol. Number 7, quilt. Quilt. Quilt means lap. Quilt means lap. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names and waiting for the next video. Till then, stay well. Bye.